coming. Sorry about that, my memory filled up. We're just going to end this. I'm dead. G1 Outlaws is dead, and Lewis Caboose is at the alien capsules.
I'm about to brick myself in the head with an actual brick. Oh, what's these?
There's a brick wall here.
Oh, we got me.
died.
Jesus Christ. Right,
you
you
go.
got to the map thing.
We've done it, okay?
We played for 30 minutes.
Tape recording found. In memory of something to QW1 outlaws.
I found all 6 tape recordings. I walked
That was scary.
a lot of green. Go and shut the boat.
Replay.
Okay, I'm going to try and show you the replay. If this works. No, I can't.
I bet it was in that alien capsule place. And there's an alien autopsy room somewhere. I bet it's in there.
Wait, so like, well, did we search it all? Is your entire map the thing?
Yeah, this is our entire map.
So like, we only go to like the right hand side,
I know.
It's huge, isn't it?
and we go back on ourselves loads. So what was the red exclamation mark?
Screams.
When you see them.
Oh, so we've seen 3 times so far. 4.
Keep more.
What is the other exclamation? What does the white exclamation mark mean?
They're different characters.
So wait, so
That's
one
when,
time.
that's when Joe died.
So now my colour is blue.
Oh, no.
And I, yeah.
Wasn't that fun?
That was fun, wasn't it?
I wasn't terribly scared about that.
This was Joe from TG Gaming, signing off. Say goodbye, you guys.